About 10 o'clock. I still got these bands. Why, I do not know. Why I got so many plants in my bedroom. Clueless. Why am I freaking punching this? Why? No idea. In my way of thinking, just because I got all these plants, and I got like, I got like 200 in my house. I got 45 raised beds outside my house, and I'm working full time. Why? Clueless. Totally clueless. This is what I know. Still getting younger, man. So I gotta be ready. I did not race today. I was thinking about it. I was racing this guy, maybe at 27 years old, for maybe a 200-yard dash. Did not race him, which means I did not lose. But I'm on my way to do my push-ups and sit-ups with these bands. Somehow, these bands are supposed to make you get stronger. Now, why would a 47-year-old man want to become stronger? Why? Why? Because I'm just beginning. That's the main reason. Main reason why I have all these bands. Actually around my legs too. And I'm gonna do these things. I don't know whether you can see it or not. Maybe I'll do it the other way. I'll do one set of this. See this? So I do this for do this almost every day, 2-3 times a day. And now I'm doing these bands. These bands on my arms. And Johnny, these bands around my wrist. So I'm gonna hold it for 1 minute. And then I do 15 sets. This is probably the hardest lift. I just hold it. There you go. For 1 minute. It does make it a little harder. Maybe I'll just boom, 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 boom. I could also kick my legs, which are also being on bands. I do my leg too. Keep in mind, it's only my second day. Only my second day. And definitely, I definitely feel it. You feel the burn. I don't know what that means, but you feel the burn. And hopefully this clock is working for 1 minute. Because then I'm also going to try my sit-ups, push-ups on this. I do like that 10:40, 10:45, and then I do my Gasco. I'll probably be doing this every day. Makes my life a little bit interesting. I think I got 10 seconds left. I think I got 6, and this is hard. 3, 2, 1. So then I take a little break. I hit it. Stretch this a little bit. Stretch this a little bit. Do my legs a little bit. Boom, boom. Kick them up. I don't know what this means. I'm doing this to get stronger. I'm doing this to get stronger. What the heck am I thinking? You don't think like that when you're 74, almost 74. But you do think like that if you're 47. If you're 47, then you got 18 more years left before you retire. You're 18 more years to retire, then you realize that if you don't watch it, you can grow old fast. You're going to get tired fast. Your life is going to be past before you're fast. And all of a sudden, you're an old man. What do you want to be? An old man or a young man? That's the question. You got the diet down pat for the most part. For the most part, I eat bananas, mostly fruit. That's my basis. I got the stop eating after 5:36. Not every day, but for the most part. I got that down pat. But if I have a craving, I'll go for the craving. There's no way around that. I try to keep my cravings to a minimum. The big picture is, what do you want? How badly do you want it? What do you want? How badly do you want it? And then you have to have a goals, very, very goal oriented. I got this. I got my stretching. Known fact. I generally work it at night and in the morning. And my extra spare time will be devoted to my garden. I do have 45 raised beds, and we'll see where that takes us. I get a lot of digging, a lot of shoveling, a lot of digging, a lot of shoveling, and then I can do a lot of planting. What I learned, it doesn't matter, because it's just a hobby for me, you know what I mean? I'm not growing any food, I don't care, make any money, I could care less. It's just a hobby. It means you get up in the morning. When I don't go to work, is do garden. If I come early, do garden. If I get up early, do garden, then shop, then work, then garden. The other side of it is vacation city. You're on vacation. It means I get up in the morning and I begin my vacation. That's my life. Vacation city, party city, living the dream, rock and roll. Starting, I don't know what that says, almost 8 minutes, 7.5 minutes. Okay. Then I do 15 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4. Definitely harder with the bands. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Definitely harder. Definitely harder. And then I do this right here. I get down for a minute, and then I do my sit-ups, my push-ups, and then I do my gasket. That's my vacation. Me, myself, and I. Bye for now.